Hello everyone, this is a Faxi Temple in Hangzhou, and just follow me and have a gander of this gorgeous temple. And many people are making the wishes, and they wish the health, the wealth, the prosperity. I think wishing the health is a worth here, I think. Yeah, people are just relaxing and look at the tower. Look at the top. It's gorgeous. Maybe it's not allowed to make the video here. Let's go. Let's go that way. Do you like here? Yes. Do you like here?
Yes.
Do you want to see anything? Can you introduce this temple? This is the Faxi Temple. See something, huh?
This is the Faxi Temple. It is big.
It's big?
Yeah.
Are there any people? Are there a lot of people?
Yes.
Is this your first time here?
Yes.
Okay. Let's walk to that orientation, okay? People can chill out here. Take a break. In this porch, we call it, maybe. Hurrah! There's one more chamber, you can see. People just tossing the coins and just want to have some good luck. So they can throw the coins into that burner. It's a big challenge, I think. Do you want to have a try? Have you got any coins?
No.
Let's go. Where? Have you got any coins? Okay, you can toss that one. Go. That's fine. Over there, over there. You can have a try. Oh, try it again. Give it a go. Try it. Oh, you got it. It's pretty good. Okay, let's move on. Wow. This chamber is more pretty, much prettier here. More beautiful. Look at those Buddhas. It's just amazing. It's absolutely impressive. Posh. There's a lot of trees, look around here. Very lush. The air is very fresh. Let's go. No, I don't have more coin. I don't have any coins. I don't have any cash either. Let's walk more. There are more timbers ahead. We have to climb those stairs. Is that cool? That one is the top one, maybe. It's quite energy consuming. It's very hard. Oh my god. Look around here. Oh my god. This is unbelievable. That chamber is not open. I think. Let's go. That chamber is closed. Let's climb more. God. This is pretty tough. There are more stairs. It's pretty tough. Speed up! It's just incredible. I think you guys have never been here. It's absolutely worth. There's a kitten. God, this chamber is more magnificent. Let's go. Hey. Okay, this is the top of this temple. There's a loo toilet. Okay, this is the end of the road. Do you want to go to the toilet? Okay, take your time. Look at those mountains. They're absolutely beautiful. It's amazing. The weather is perfect. The sunlight is shining. Everyone is jubilant. And the most important is that you can make a wish here. And your wish can be realized after your efforts, of course. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, if you are into this video, please give me a like. Thank you very much for your time. Bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye.